Yeah, this book is a legacy and an investment in other people. It's me saying, I think I have something I can say, I have experiences I think can matter and can help people. This book is my way of investing more than just me physically in my own children. It allows me to invest in anyone who wants to read this book. I encourage everyone to read this book because you never know what kernel of knowledge you really need that's going to change your life. You can't determine that. You just have to make sure you expose yourself to as much knowledge as you can.